In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon on Google Sites quickly and easily. Now, a favicon might seem like a small detail, but it plays a significant role in brand recognition. That tiny icon appears in browser tabs, bookmarks, and even search results, giving your site a professional touch. Let's get started on incorporating this small but mighty element into your Google site. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type Google Sites and hit Enter. You'll notice a list of results pops up. Click on the first link to take you to the main page of Google Sites. This is where we'll begin our endeavor. Once you're on the Google Sites page, you need to select the specific site you want to add a favicon to. After identifying the site, simply click on it to open. You should see the main dashboard for your site, which contains all the tools needed for editing and customization. Look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a settings icon that resembles a gear. Clicking on this icon will open a menu with various options. From this menu, locate and click on the option labeled Brand Images. This is the section where you can manage your site's visual branding elements, including our main focus today, the favicon. Now that you're in the Brand Images section, the next step is to focus on the favicon option. Click on it, and you'll be prompted with an option to upload an image. For those unfamiliar, a favicon is typically a small, square icon, often 16:16 or 32 by 32 pixels in size, so ensure that your image meets these criteria for the best results. With the favicon option selected, go ahead and click on the Upload button. Your computer's File Explorer will open, allowing you to navigate through your saved files. Locate the image you have prepared as your favicon, select it, and then click Open to proceed. Once your image is successfully uploaded, the last step is to make your changes live. Head back to the main site dashboard by closing any pop-up windows. Once there, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the Publish button. Click on it to publish your site with the new favicon in place, ensuring that your update is visible to all visitors. And there you have it. You've now successfully added a favicon to your Google site. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your site's branding, making it instantly recognizable in a sea of tabs. Thanks for following along, and happy customizing.